Hello everyone, this is Amulya from Aura Realty. I extend a warm welcome to all of you and I'm back with the latest construction update for the Pearl in Hi-Tech City. Designed as a rare expression of refined living, the Pearl rises as a collection of 414 single-floor sky mansions, crafted in expansive configurations of 5,300 and 5,400 square feet, featuring a separate home office, home theatre, servant room and private balconies. Each residence is thoughtfully planned to offer unmatched privacy, scale, and elegance, setting a new benchmark for uber luxury living in the city. Let us walk you through the progress that continues to shape the Pearl into Hyderabad's most iconic address. Let's begin the update with Phase 1. All the structural works have been completed for the Stellar, the Wellfleet, the Pelican, and the Bellon Towers. Terrace waterproofing is now fully completed across all 4 towers, with external painting in progress on all the towers. Coming to the internal section of works, marble flooring, waterproofing, plumbing and dado works are at an advanced stage. Fall ceiling works stand at 60% completion. AC copper pipe fixing works are near completion, with AC VRV IDU installation currently in progress. Aluminium window installation works have begun. Lastly, service lift trials are underway. Next, we look at the progress in basement and non-tower area. Precast slab erection works have achieved 100% completion. Coming to vacuum dewatered flooring, first and second basement levels are 100% completed, whereas the third basement level stands at 95% completion. Grade slab works are 100% completed for the third basement level. Ceiling painting is progressing at 95% completion, with column painting underway. Firefighting works have progressed till 80%. Structural works for the entry portal 1 are now complete. The east side retaining wall is 95% completed, with the south side common boundary retaining wall is now fully completed. Podium level hardscaping works are in progress, with waterproofing works completed at 60%. Driveway VDF works are also progressing well, with 60% completion. Moving on to the clubhouse. Structural works along with terrace waterproofing is 100% completed and dome works are now at 95% completion. Diagram erection works are currently in progress, making a key milestone in the architectural finishing of the signature recreational space. Interior works are in progress with 20% completion of fall ceiling, wall paneling, wall putting, tiling and marble works. Additionally, service lift and passenger lift installation works are underway. External glazing works are progressing at a quick pace, at 40% completion. This brings us to Phase 2. All the towers are steadily taking shape. Austria and Duxbury Terrace floor work is under progress. In Westport, 19 floors completed. Additionally, structural works for the sewage treatment plant have reached 90% completion. Precast erection works are underway with 90% completion. Entry portal 2 works are in progress with 30% completion. UG tank works will begin soon, with site clearance and excavation works underway. The proposed 100 feet approach road is now fully complete and will soon connect directly to the Pearl Grand Entrance. We invite you to experience the Pearl up close through our fully completed model flats, now opening for viewing at the Bellon Tower on the 4th floor. This concludes the February 2026 construction update for the Pearl by Aura Realty. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards perfection and stay connected with Aura Realty for more timely updates and further exciting developments. This is Amulya signing off.